accomplished recording artist of all time. She's sold more than 80 million albums worldwide. Her new CD is available now. Here's Enya with Echoes in the Rain.
Into the wind, I throw the night, silver and gold, turn into light. I'm on a road, I know the way, everything flows, here comes another new day. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Echoes in rain, drifting in waves, long journey home, never too late. Black as a crow, night comes again, everything flows, here comes another new day. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Such a treat for us. I know you rarely perform, and I can't believe this. You've never toured?
No, I have not toured. I get to perform just on this show with the girls, but mostly my time has been spent putting albums together.
Well, we are so thankful you did.
Yes, we
it's
are.
like being in church.
Thank you.
We know you came from a musical family. Your mother, the music teacher, your father was a musician. And I tell you, thank you for giving us your gift, because this is amazing for us to experience. Enya's new CD, Dark Sky Island, is available now. Make sure you go out and pick it up. Enya, everybody.